What do you mean by need? Essentials will come under need. What do you mean by want then? When a product is, when a need is directed towards the specific product, right? I need only this. I need only that. That particular brand only I need. Only that particular color I need. Only that texture I need. Only that particular size I need. When you are giving a specification to that particular need, means that would become a product. That would become a want. I need food, means that is a need. I need sambar vadai or I need biryani, means that would become a want, right? I need mobile phone, need now. Now it became essential, right? So need now, but I need only Poco mobile, I need only Apple mobile, means that would become a want, right? Now, third one is, so as a marketer, what you have to concentrate on, you just think about yourself as a marketer. You are a marketer, right? You are a manufacturer or you are a marketing person. What you have to concentrate on, whether you have to concentrate on need of the customers or want of the customers if you want to get a profit. Wants of the customers only you have to concentrate on, because need is very few. Only when you know about the people's want, we can sell our products to the as per the want of the customers. Right? Now coming to the demand aspect. What do you mean by demand? Whatever you understood, you can tell. What do you mean by demand in your economic point of view? What do you mean by demand? Economics you study. What do you mean by demand? Basic question only I am asking. Yes? In economic point of view, you have studied economics. In economic point of view, what do you mean by demand? Yes, Manjay, what do you mean by demand? Fast, I don't have time. Demand is a need. Is that so? Need means essentials. Demand is essentials. Is that so? No. Yes? The supply is the want of the supply is less means the demand increases. If the supply is high, the demand would be greater. Supply is less means the demand would be greater. Okay. If the supply is less means demand would be high. Okay, fine. In this four concepts of marketing, we can tell that demand as purchasing power of the customers. As a marketer, I need to concentrate more on need of the customers first. Second one is, after knowing the need of the customers, I have to concentrate more on want of the customers. If I am concentrating only on need of the customers, means I have to manufacture only button mobile, right? Or I have to manufacture only black and white TV. Fine. No need to manufacture a TV with this size, this monitor, 5-star, and this screening is essential. It should not be harmful to eyes. Like that, I need not think about, right? So I have to think about the want of the customers. As a marketer, I have to think about the want of the customers. Only then I can get the profit. Now coming to the purchasing power of the customers. If I am concentrating more on only the need and want of the customers, means what about the purchasing power of the customers? Can I ask you people why you haven't sold that mobile phone in your stock? Am I right? What they are selling that particular notebook. Is it a product? Suppose a famous example only I will give you so that you can understand. Pen. Product. Yes. Shop. It's a product. Suppose I am taking this refill out from this pen. Only refill. Is it a product? Is this a product? Refill. Yeah, refill. No, it's a name. Product name. Is it product idea? It's a product. Why it's a product? Why you are not buying this refill? It is a product. But we people are buying pen, but we are not buying refill. Why it's so? Okay, leave that. Suppose I am selling this container. I am selling this container. Can you buy this container without refill?
No.
Why? It's also a product. Am I right? Suppose if I am selling only this container, can you buy? No. Why? Suppose I am selling only the refill, can you buy?
Yes.
Yes. But we people are not buying refill nowadays. We are buying only pen. Why? This container is not a product because it doesn't have any value. But refill has more value than this container. But we people are buying a pen with this container, with this refill and all. Only then you people are buying it. So now you tell me, this is a product you told. Container is not a product you told. But you are not buying a product, this refill. But you are buying refill with container. What do you mean by product now? Think about it. What do you mean by product? Product means you should give some utility. Why you are not buying this container means it is not giving you any utility. Fine? It has a form, but it doesn't give you any utility. But refill is a product, it is giving you utility, but you are not buying also. Why? Because this product should give you the comfort, but also it should give you the utility. Only then it will become a product. Whatever product you are buying, it should give you some utility to the customers. Whatever the utility. Whatever the utility be, but it should give you utility. Utility means usefulness. Some usefulness it should give it to you, only then you can buy a product. Fine, understood? Now coming to the services. What do you mean by services? What do you mean by services? Services means, have you studied about tangible, intangible? What do you mean by tangible first? You can be able to touch and feel. Intangible means you have to feel that, you have to get that experience, but you can't touch it. Right? Say for example, when I am telling you, you are going to the hotel and you are eating a dish. Fine? Which one is a product? Which one is the services? Hotel is a service industry, right? But they are giving you both product and also services. Now you tell me which one is a product, which one is a service? Dish, what you are eating is a product, but how they are treating you is the service, right? How that particular product will be it's delicious. Is it tangibleness is there in that deliciousness? How that hotel would be, it's ambiguous. How it is. எல்லாமே எப்படி இருந்துச்சு? How the location is, how they are serving you, how people who are serving you. இது எல்லாமே important. How they are serving you will give you more value than that particular dish. Right? So that will come under services. Product is tangible, services is intangible. Fine? Next one is utility. What do you mean by utility? Usefulness. The product should give you all these utilities. First one is form utility. Form utility means what I told you. In a pen you are not buying the refill, but you are buying the pen with container. You are selling a product to the customers. Customers are possessing it. ஒரு கடையில போய் you people are buying a product. In front of that particular seller, you can throw that product also. Because he sold you, the transaction is complete. After buying that product, you are just throwing it off in front of the seller. Is that possible? Is the seller is having full right to question you? Is that so? Because he doesn't have any right to question you after the transaction is over. Because it's possessed by you. You have possessed that particular product. So the product should give that possession utility. Fine, understood? The ownership is being transferred from the buyer, from the seller to the buyer. That is possession utility. Place utility. Why we people are buying the product through online? Why we people are preferring the retail stores which is nearby to your place means that will give you the place utility. Whenever you need that product should be available in the market. That will give you place utility, right? Availability, that utility should be given, right? The product is needed. They are having a need, they are having a want, and the seller is also giving you, the seller is also ready to satisfy you with the need, want, demand, everything is there. But it is not available in the market means it's of no use, right? So the product should be available in the market. That would give you the place utility, time utility. Whenever it is needed, it should be available. உனக்கு தேவையில்லாத நேரத்துல it is available na no need, right? Whenever the customer need that particular product, it should be available at that particular point of time. Only then it will give you the value, right? If it is not so, it won't give you any value. Right? Understood? What do you mean by value? What do you mean by value? Yes, price. Price. It's very valuable product. That means the price of that product is very high. So we are calling that particular product as valuable product. Is that so? Yes? The worth of the product. Yeah, very good. Value means worth of the product. What I am getting for that particular money. This money I am spending, and for that particular money, how much I am getting. Is it worthful to study in this product? Or it is worthful to get this product for this amount? Right? Value means worth of that particular product. Right? How much value the product is giving to me with this money. Value. Right? Next one is satisfaction. If everything is being satisfied, if everything is given by that seller means definitely the customer will get satisfied. Nowadays it is not that the marketers are concentrating more on satisfying the customers, because all the marketers, they are very easily they can satisfy the customers. Very easily we can satisfy the customers with our marketing mix strategies. Correct on a product, correct on a pricing, correct on availability, everything is there means very easily you can satisfy. But all the manufacturers are ready to satisfy the customers means how one particular manufacturer getting profit, others are paying. For product etcetera, we are having multiple brands. But all brands they are getting success. No. Certain brands are getting success and certain other brands they are not getting success. Even though the value of that particular product is same. Certain products, certain brands are getting success and certain brands they are not getting success. Why it's so? Because some marketers they are just trying to satisfy the customers. Some marketers they are just being delighting the customers. Right? What do you mean by delight? Delighting and delightful customers, satisfied customers, difference. Right? Suppose you are going to the same hotel. You are going to the hotel, they are giving you the tasty dish. You are satisfied. It's worthful for that particular money. So you are just thinking that the value of that particular product is good. Right? Suppose you are going to that particular showroom or you are going to that hotel, they are serving you the tasty food and extra. When you are coming out, they are giving you particular gift, you'll get that excitement. That is delightful customers. The customers nowadays, marketers, they are not at all satisfying the customers. They are just delighting the customers. எப்படியாவது ஏதாவது ஒன்று பண்ணி the customers should get delighted, only then the customers will come back to me அப்படின்ற thought they are having. அதனால தான் எல்லா மொபைல் ஃபோன் சர்வீஸ் ப்ரொவைடர்ஸும் they are giving you more, right? Whatever you are thinking, அவங்க நம்ம கேட்கறத விட ஜாஸ்தி ஏன் கொடுக்குறாங்க அப்படின்னா they just want to delight you all. Why? Because why they have to delight you all means only then they can retain the customers. உடனே delightfully வச்சுக்கலனா you'll switch on to the some other brand. So all the marketers, they are not nowadays, they are not trying to satisfying the customers, but they just wanted to delight the customers by giving more aspect to that particular product. Fine? அதுதான் satisfaction. Have you noted everything? உனக்கு புரிஞ்ச அளவுல சீக்கிரமா எழுது. Writing your own words fast. I'll give you 2 minutes. Also write quality. Constant improvement in quality is essential for selling the product. Right? 6th point is quality. In that quality, you can write here. Total quality management is essential to ensure the quality of the product. 6th point is quality. Seventh is relationship. 7th point is relationship. Nowadays, all the departmental stores, not only departmental stores, all the showrooms, they are sending you birthday cards. They are giving you whatever promotions they are doing. They will be calling you and giving you the promotional tips and all. Why is it? They are in contact with you. Am I right? Why? CRM. What do you mean by CRM? Customer relationship management. Because all the marketers, they just wanted to have a bond with their customers. If they are not having that bond with the customers, means the customers will switch on to some other brand. Right? So they just wanted to retain the customers by having a close relationship or having a constant contact with the customers. Right? That is also will come under 4 concepts of marketing. CRM is a part of 4 concepts of marketing. Right? Over. Shall we move on to the next topic? Next one is, what can be marketed? What can be marketed? Yes, tell me what can be marketed. We can market the simple. The question is very simple. What can be marketed? You can sell product. Very good. You can sell the product. Product can be marketed. Then services can be marketed. Then இது ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் ஒரு டாபிக்கா what can be marketed ன்னு ஒரு டாபிக்கா போட்டு only these 2 concepts can be marketed. Is that so? No. Then what can be marketed? Think. Services can be marketed. Then products can be marketed. Then what are the other things which can be marketed? Yes? Advertisements can be marketed. Okay, then where can be marketed? Suppose you are buying a bond, you are buying the stocks, whether it will come under product or services. You are buying the house. It can be the product or services. Or bond one. That will come under stock market. You are buying a stock. Cryptocurrency. Whether it will come under product or services. You told me product and services can be marketed. Some other thing also can be marketed. What are those things means? These assets can be marketed, right? Bond, stock, cryptocurrencies, right? Like these certain other things can be marketed. We can call it as properties can be marketed. Properties can be marketed. Product, services, properties, next is we are buying newspapers, am I right? And we are getting some information, we are searching for the information in internet. We are getting many informations from the internet. What can be marketed? Whether it will come under product or services? We are buying certain informations from the internet. That will come under informations can be marketed, right? Not only properties, then informations also can be marketed. Many events they are conducting, right? Even magical shows, circus and all, right? Exhibitions they are conducting. And they are giving advertisement for that exhibition, stage shows and all. What name we can give it to them? Events, right? So events can be marketed, right? Events can be marketed. Then politicians, they are just talking about themselves. They are asking you votes. Am I right? Many people, many politicians, even actors, even spokespeople, they are just telling you about themselves. Am I right? And they are asking you to vote for them. That is also a marketing strategy. Fine? What name we can call it? People can be marketed. Right? Suppose you are going for an interview. You are going for an interview, right? So in an interview, you are just selling yourself. You are just asking them to buy you. That is, asking you to give a job to you. And at that particular point of time, what you people are doing? You are telling them what are the good things about you, right? You are selling yourself in that particular interview. So people can be marketed. Very good. Information can be marketed. People can be marketed. Places can be marketed. Places can be marketed. Any example for that? Example for places can be marketed. Real estate. Where? Tourism. Right? Why? Kerala tourist department and all, not only Kerala, many tourist departments, they are selling themselves and they are telling you that this place is having this much historical importance and we are having theme parks like this. These are the parks we are having, they are marketing that place. Right? Why? Because why we are giving so much of importance to that tourist parts and all. What benefit the country is getting out of it? What benefit is wrong? Economical development is another issue, so we don't have that. So places can be marketed. We are marketing the theme parks, right? We are marketing the places and we are asking the visitors to visit our places. So places can be marketed. Next is organizations can be marketed. Organizations can be marketed. What is the benefit the organization is getting out of it? I am marketing my organization. We are seeing the advertisement regarding many organizations What they are getting out of it? Okay. We can get the good employees. Correct.
Find the creditors.
They can get the creditors. Very good. Right? So organizations can be marketed fast now. Last one is ideas can be marketed. Ideas. How come? How we can market the ideas? Franchises, trademarks, patent rights, copyrights, everything will come under ideas. Right? So you can sell your copyright, you can sell your franchises, you can sell your copyrights and trademarks to other people. Right? So ideas can be marketed. Even nowadays, counseling will come under ideas. They are giving you ideas to solve the problem. It can be marketed. Why they are having so many counseling centers? Ideas can be marketed. They are just giving you the advice. Ideas can be marketed. Right? So these are the what all the things can be marketed. Someone get up and tell me. When last benchers keep the number. What can be marketed? Fast. We don't have time. Very good. Organizations can be marketed. What? Why we are selling the organization? Someone get up and tell me. For what purpose organizations can be marketed? To get more credit, right? How come the events can be marketed? Any example for everything? Write the examples fast. People can be marketed. You can write the sports people. Events can be marketed. Magical shows. Ideas, the patents, copyrights. Product and environmental. Do it failure. Product and our example karma. Places can be marketed. Right? Tourism department, real estate, technology. Properties can be marketed. Stock exchanges, stock, bond. Information can be marketed. Newspapers, internet, websites.